Student, today we discuss about the next topics of this probability. Chapter number 5, 10th standard mathematics part first. Now student, up to this we have to discuss about some basic concepts of this probability. Now in this, all of you know that random experiment means that the experiment in which all possible results are known in advance, but none of them can be predicted with certainty, and there is equal possibility for each result is known as the random experiment. And student, set of all these possible outcomes of this random experiment is called as the sample space, and we have to use this sample space to solve the next practice 5.2 here. Now student, for this first we have to find out some sample space of this numbers here. How to find out the sample space? For this, look at in your book, the page number is 117. There is one chart is given. Now we have to use this chart to solve the examples also. Then in this, first I have to tell you that again, what is meant by the sample space? The set of all possible outcomes of the random experiment is called as the sample space. Here is some examples are given in the chart. Now here is serial numbers, random experiment, sample space, and number of the points in sample space. Yes. Now look at the page number. Again I have tell that 170 of your textbook. Now here is the first one is the one coin is tossed. At that time the sample space is H and T. In curly bracket you have to write S is equals to H and T, mean that none of S is equals to. So for the second, look here, two coins are tossed. At that time the sample space is in curly bracket HH, HT, TH and TT, mean that number of sample space is 4. Then third one is three coins are tossed. At that time the sample space is H, 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 T, H, T, H, T, H, H, then H, T, 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 H, T, then T, T, H, and last one is T, T, T. Mean that there is number of sample space is 8. Then next one is a die is thrown. All of you know that on the die there are 6 numbers here. Mean that the sample space is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Mean that number of yes is 6. In this box is 6. Then fifth one is 2 coins are thrown. Sorry, 2 die are thrown. When 2 dice are thrown, then on each die there are 6 numbers here. Mean that for first and second, so that the sample space is in curly bracket 1, 1, then another bracket 1, 2, then another bracket 1, 3, then 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6. Similarly for 2, 1, 2, 3, 2 up to 2, 6, then 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 6, then 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 6, 5, 1, 5, 2, 5, 6, up to 6, 1, 6, 2 and 6, 6. Means that there is total number of the sample space is 36 for the 2 die here. Then next one is a card is drawn from a pack of bearing numbers 1 to 25. Means that there are 1 to 25 numbers, so that number of sample space is 25. Then next point is a card is drawn from well shuffled pack of the 52 playing cards. All of you know that in these playing cards there are 4 suits here. Each suit contain 13 cards here. Mean that the cards are ace card, त्याला आपण एक का म्हणतो. Second, third, fourth up to 10. Then jack, queen and king. There are total 13 cards in each suite. Mean that there are 4 types of the suites. Diamond. Then here is diamond cards असे. Then spade card, heart card and queen cards. Heart card and then club cards. There are 4 types of the cards here. Now here is total number of sample spaces n of s is 52. Then student, keep in your mind the sample space for a coin toss twice is the same as a coin toss twice is same as two coin toss simultaneously, same as for 3 also. And the sample space for a die rolled twice is the same as two dice rolled once, mean that simultaneously. Okay, we take the practice set 5.2. The first question. Look here, I will write this question. For each of the following experiment, write the sample space yes and number of the sample point n of s. First one is one coin and one die are thrown simultaneously. Then second one is two digit numbers are formed using the digit 2, 3, 5 without repeating the digits. So simple questions here. Look carefully its solutions. Now the first one is I have taken here one coin and one die are thrown simultaneously. Student, when one coin is tossed here, at that time the sample space for this coin is, so I have to write here the sample space for the coin is S is equals to H and T, mean that head and tail, mean that number of sample point is how much? 2. And also for a die there is sample space is 6 here, therefore the sample space for a die is the sample space for the die is S is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Mean that n of S is equals to how much? 6. Now here is one coin and one die are thrown simultaneously. Here we write here one coin and one die are thrown simultaneously. Then sample spaces here is student S is equals to H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. Then T1, T2, T3, T4, T5 and T6. Mean that total number here is 6 plus 6 becomes 12. Mean that number of sample space is equals to how much? 12. Means when one coin and one die are thrown simultaneously, at that time number of sample space is how much? 12. Then we have to take the second one. Second, two digits numbers are formed. Numbers are formed using digits 2, 3 and 5 without repeating digit. The sample space is here is without repetition of the digit here. We have to write the sample points of two digit numbers here. Mean that two digit number mean that here 23, then 25, then we take here 32, then 35. Without repetition mean that you cannot take 33, 22. 55. So 23, 25, 32, 35, then 52 and 53. Therefore, number of sample space is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. This is our answer of the given question. Can you understand this? Okay, we take the next question. The next question, question number 2 is, the arrow is rotated and it stops randomly on the disc. This is the disc and this is the arrow is rotated. Find out on which color it may stop. Mean that this is random experiment here. Students, so simple here. There is how many colors? There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 colors are there. So that out of this any one color, the arrow can be stopped here. So that I have to write here, there are 6 answer. There are 6 colors on the disc. On the disc, and the arrow can stop on any of the color. Therefore, its sample space is, you have to write all these colors here: yellow, then blue, then green, purple, red and orange. Now in that, therefore the number of sample space is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Can you understand this? We have to find out here number of sample space here. Then look at this question number 3 here. In the month of March 2019, find the days on which the date is a multiple of 5. See the page of the calendar here. Now here is March 2019. The month of March, there are 31 days here. So here is 31 days. Then the first date is on the Friday. Then all these numbers and dates are given here for the corresponding days here. Now we have to find out here multiple of 5 here. Now there are multiple of 5 are 5, then 10, then 15, 20, 25 and the 30. Means that, so I have to write here its answer is multiples of 5 are dead. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 and last one is 30. And therefore the sample space is 5 for this Tuesday. Then 10 for Sunday. Then 15 for Friday. Then 20 for Wednesday. Then 25 for Monday. And 30 for this Saturday. Mean that number of sample space is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is our answer. We take the next question. The next question, question number 4 is, form a road safety committee of from 2 boys B1, B2 and 2 girls G1, G2. Complete the following activity to write the sample space. Important question here because this is one activity here. Solution, I have to take directly the answers here simultaneously. Look carefully. A, committee of 2 boys. Committee of 2 boys means that B1, B2. So I have to write here B1, B2 is the committee of 2 boys. Then committee of 2 girls. Committee of 2 girls is G1, G2. G1 and G2. Then committee of one boy and one girls. Here is B1, G1 is given here. So that second one is B1, G2. Then B2, G1. Then B2, G2. Then student, the sample space yes is for all these committees. First I will write here B1, B2. Then G1, G2. Then B1, G1. Then B1, G2. Then B2, G1. And last one is B2, G2. Can you understand this? This is the activity based question. Thank you very much.